Okay, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to download applications. So it's important to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. In previous videos, you have probably already got connected to Google, and that's just a Google account, so Gmail would work, and that's going to allow for Google Chrome, Google Maps, Google Play. So if you have not done that already, make sure there'll be a sign-in button here. Just sign into any Gmail account. If you don't have one, create one. And we're going to be walking through downloading HBO Max or Max. So we've got this. You're going to pull up the application. So Google Play is where you're going to go to download 99% of applications. The 1%, check our website, trymagicbox.com/apps, and we'll have an app directory for applications that are downloaded in other ways that just aren't listed on the Google Play Store. Also, feel free to reach out to us with any questions or app-specific ones. So we're just going to hit install. It's that simple. I'm on a mobile hotspot right now, so it does take a little bit longer than you would typically get on like a mobile phone, or at least it can. This one downloaded pretty quickly, so it'll be installing, and then it'll just be open, and we'll open in a second. It will download to the next available slot, so it'd probably download around here, and that's totally fine. So let's go back to, you can move it around at a later date. So yeah, it'll download about there. It does take a little bit, so I may need to cut the video just so I'm not completely rambling, but you could download a bunch of applications. What I would recommend is, just as you get a new iPhone, I would just set this up, connect to your home Wi-Fi. That's going to be your fastest, strongest connection, and go from there. Next thing, you're just going to want to open this up, and then if you have HBO Max or Max, then you just download, or you just sign in from here, and you're off and running. So that'll be a different video, and then yeah, you just download all your applications. And let's say we want to make HBO Max on our toolbar. We're going to hold down this icon. Let's get rid of Google Maps. And then we're just going to search for HBO Max. And now that's added down here. Here we go. It's that simple.